Do you know many people are having trouble with their Dirt Devil Libero M606's right brush slowing down or stopping? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off vacuum. Start by making sure the vacuum is turned off safety first. Step 2. Check right wheel. Check if there's any dirt blocking the right wheel. If there's any, remove it carefully. Step 3. Clean round broom. Remove the round broom. It might be clogged. Clean it thoroughly before placing it back. Step 4. Remove obstructions. Ensure the vacuum isn't obstructed by any objects. A gentle shove should help free it. Step 5. Charge battery. If the vacuum stops suddenly, it could be due to weak battery. Make sure to charge it properly. Step 6. Check AC adapter. Verify the AC adapter connection. It should be properly plugged in for proper charging. After following these steps, you should find your Dirt Devil Libero M606 operating at its optimal performance. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Dirt Devil users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.